All right, so moment of truth. We're gonna see if we can drive the damn car. Let's do it. Hey guys, Christian here. Welcome back to another video. We're back here at PSI Orlando, but instead of working on the 335i, we're going to take a break from that car today, and we're going to focus on the E46 M3. I was actually very surprised how well the first video did, the reveal video. The positive engagement was unreal. Really made me really happy inside, and I read all the comments, and I hear you guys loud and clear. You guys want me to do a manual swap, keep the S54 engine within the car, and make it a daily driver, which I think that's what I'm gonna end up doing. Anyways, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna have the guys here give it a small inspection, walk around the car, put it up on the lift, see if we can see anything that's noticeably wrong with it, and pretty much try to give you guys an explanation to why this E46 M3 was so cheap. I only paid $3,000 for this car, and if you guys know anything about the E46 M3s, they go for a lot more in pricing. So anyways, let's get started. That's an exhaust? Mm-hmm. Okay. Did you check if it's real? Yeah, it's real.
Made in China.
Pretty oily down here. I was told by the owner there was no foreseeable leaks that you can see down here at all. What is that?
That would be a lie.
That is a patch for this crack. What the hell?
You put some JB Weld on it?
You said, is that really a crack though?
Yeah.
Oh, so it needs a new oil pan.
AC leak. So you need a compressor. I'm surprised the valve car is not leaking.
You know what? I expect everything to be messed up on this for 175,000 miles.
That's actually not bad. There's literally no other leaks, but you need an oil pan.
Yeah.
All this bullshit off this, because we going manual.
Yeah. So I definitely looked at the comment section for that review video, and I think 98% of the comments said manual swap, daily driver. Do not pull the engine out of it. So I think that's what I decided to do.
Oh, the exhaust shielding is missing too.
Yeah, what the
The drive shaft is just exposed. At least it's not bad. Bushings are okay. Oh, subframe crack.
Well, that's a given, I guess.
Yeah, right there. There's a crack.
So that's never been addressed on this car.
Nope.
I'm surprised it lasted this long, 175,000 miles, and it got that crack. I've seen worse.
There'll probably be a few more once we actually drop it.
Oh, yeah.
Our tabs are so
Can you use like less cursing words?
Our tabs are poop. This has been nifkined with. Is that how you want me to sound? Yeah, we gotta hook you up with some Powerflex bushings. This was replaced. Still got the sticker.
Oh, you got a backup camera, bro.
Do I?
What? Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's
this
a nice touch. My car doesn't even have a backup camera.
about to fall out though. Look at this.
Oh.
You know what that means?
It's slipping off. What does
Time
that
for a
mean?
new exhaust.
Oh.
Why fix it? Why
Swap
fix
it
it
out,
when you
yeah.
can improve it?
You know what? Well, maybe we can show later, like you trying to get into the gear and stuff, doing the same thing, so I can get that in video. Yeah, I need to get that because essentially that's, I mean, that took a that gave this car a huge discount because of that. And
This oil pan is about to give you a huge discount too. You got mint tires though. But let me tell you.
no, they've been sitting for a year. They're gonna crack, but they're good to burn out.
I mean, these rotors though, these are straight from Brembo.
You're right.
Brand new.
Bad, yeah.
What you mean? Just a little bit of WD-40 and you're good to go.
Yeah. Michelin Pilot Sport 4S? Oh yeah.
Baller.
And I'm really surprised that there's no curb rash on there. It's just the paint peeling.
Hey, look. You need some BCs.
Stock suspension?
The bump stop is like
Yeah, I see it. It's cracking.
Sahara desert type thing. Top hat.
Yeah,
It's gone.
Look at this. Yeah, well, that's what happens when the car's exposed to the environment for so long outside. Everything's gone.
Oh, the car came with a Chipotle. Actually, like, we opened the hood and it was like,
Yeah.
right there.
Chipotle.
And it actually had my name too, so.
Look at that.
Who wants to guess what color it is?
Blue.
Pink.
I'm gonna say green.
Green?
And I was right.
It doesn't look like green, dude.
Oh, wait, no, blue.
That's blue. I won. What about engine oil?
It looks like engine oil to me. Can't tell if it's the right one, but whatever. Yeah, we're definitely gonna do your valve cover and just peek in there real quick to see what's going on. Oh, it's full.
Yes, it is.
SMG's fluid is overrated.
Is this the eBay intake?
Canon Typhoon intake system, straight from America. No, what you need is that CSL airbox. Now you're talking my language. Okay, so we don't have a DME cover. That's cool.
I noticed there's a lot of covers missing in this car, whether it's in engine compartment, under tray, interior as well. There's a bunch of covers missing in the interior, I noticed.
Whoa. This is not there.
Alright, can we turn on the car?
Maybe?
Checking to see if the AC works.
Yeah, turn on the AC. Turned on.
Lukewarm.
Compressor kicked on.
Oh, iPod.
So as you guys can see, these guys are trying to see if the music works. We have a custom system in the trunk that I showed in the reveal video. So we're gonna see if this has some jams.
Alright, what y'all wanna hear?
I know, whatever it is, I'm gonna have to mute it anyways.
Bangers!
Are you braking?
Yeah.
Yeah, the brakes work.
Flashers work.
Are the headlights working? Oh yeah.
Put in daytime driving.
There's nothing. How about fog lights?
High beam. Fog lights. Okay.
We're good.
Windshield washer. Sprayer.
Oh! That's a 1.5 years of water right there. I mean, liquid. Do these pop out like the E30s? Oh, it's electronically controlled.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Hurrah!
No,
Next side.
Oh, that's freaking baller right there. That's baller. We don't need AC, boys.
What about this? Whoa. That was the transmission again.
Yeah, that works perfectly. Okay, so I could have moved that yesterday. That was stiff for whatever reason.
This is very stiff.
That's why I thought it was like electronically controlled as well, because it was super stiff. Oh, there you go. You loosen
Just had to loosen it up.
Just have to rough it up.
Give it a little love.
Oh, that opens.
Oh, I shouldn't have taken your mirror off.
You took it off?
It kind of fell off.
And I did not capture that on video.
I didn't break it, I swear.
Well, it needs to be changed anyways because that thing is faded.
Power seats on that side work too?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Do they come with massage function as well? I don't know that.
This is not a F90, okay?
Okay. Yep. Look at that. That is definitely I think that's coolant. It's pretty much leaked out a huge portion of the coolant. All right, now that the inspection is done on the lift, the guys went ahead and put the E46 outside. I'm gonna head there shortly so I can see what works and what doesn't work within the interior, as far as like the infotainment display, the power functions, the sunroof and stuff like that. All right, time to see what works and doesn't work with this car. Let's take a look at the power windows. Yep, power window works on that side, works on that side. I'm actually very curious to see if the sunroof works. Let's see. All right, let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it works flawlessly. It doesn't seem like it's seized or stuck or anything like that. Very smooth. All right, let's see if the infotainment display works. Phone, disc, settings, radio. See if I got some jams in here. Well, I'm not even gonna put some jams because I would have to mute that because of YouTube copyright anyways. Radio, settings, disc, phone. Well, it doesn't matter. It looks like everything works out perfectly, so I'll leave that alone. All right, let's go ahead and check out the side mirrors. Yep, they work perfectly. Passenger side. Yep, they work. All right, well, let's go ahead and switch it off. As far as the condition of the interior, it's actually not too bad for a car that has 175,000 miles. It's actually pretty good. Seems like with a really good cleanup, this is gonna look almost brand new. Same thing goes for the door panels, the armrest right here. Everything looks really good. The carpeting looks like it's been well taken care of as well. Glove box, nothing strange there. The dashboard looks pretty clean. There's no cracks, nothing's melting. I'm sure it can use some conditioning though to kind of revive the surface of this. The steering wheel, I'm surprised. Not too bad. Got a couple of cracks here. Few faded spots here, but I'm sure cleaning it will go a long way. But yeah, overall pretty good. Driver's seat, pretty good as well. Looking at the passenger seat, it didn't seem like anybody ever sat back here because the seats look like they're in optimal condition. Looks like we're missing a cover here for the ashtray. Let's see here. I don't know how to open this. Oh, there we go. Okay. Not too bad. Definitely like the vinyl, the plastic, this material. It's like the soft touch plastic on my 335i. It's just starting to peel. It doesn't look really good. This looks like it's a little loose for the shifter. That's okay because we're going to convert this to manual anyway, so this doesn't really matter. Well, power locks work okay. Yep. Awesome. Why, hello there. This is Christian from the future, and we have Ali from the future as well. As you can tell, the quarantine hair right here, and then we got the Swiss Army military haircut.
It's called a Bears cut.
It's called a Bears cut apparently. But weird enough, this video, I filmed it like over a month ago, and I never got to finish it. Something came up that day, so I was here at PSI picking something up that I had left here, and I figured, hey, we're already here with the E46 M3, so let's go ahead and finish the video. I wanted to show you guys the main reason why this car was so cheap, and that has to do because of the Smg transmission. I want to show you exactly what it does and why it can't drive the car. And of course, we have Ali here to give you guys a better insight. Well, give you guys and give me a better insight as well. So, you said what?
What?
You said the only thing with what?
SMG pieces of
They don't go into drive.
They don't go into drive with the hood open.
Oh, they don't go into drive with the hood open. Ah, I didn't know that.
Safety.
So yeah, the car's been sitting since the last time I recorded this video, so battery's completely shot. So we're just recharging it up so then I can show you guys exactly what's wrong with the transmission.
What? Look at this. 9.4, 9.2, 13. 9.4, 9.4, 13.
Is that
13.
the voltage on the battery?
It's going like up and down, up and down, up and down.
As you told me before, all those volts all kind of relate to the same issue, the SMG pump or whatever.
Gear not engaging, and then the slave cylinder on the SMG because it's an electronic slave cylinder.
Okay.
But it could also just be the pump not giving enough pressure. Component triggering. Engage gear. We're going to engage first.
Oh.
So it goes first.
So what you're doing is you're engaging the gears electronically?
Yep. Because it has a hydraulic pump there in the back, and it actuates the gear selector rod. Okay, so we got second.
Maybe you should just drive the car with the computer out. Engage the gears that way.
Yeah, it says trigger and then untrigger. Yeah, let me just do that. Danger to manifold.
It It's working better than the actual shifter.
5th gear. Then we go to reverse. And that means your car just died. Flatline. Maybe we can drive the car today.
Really?
Pump is working.
Is that what you hear, the SMG pump?
Yep.
Interesting. He's engaging everything via the laptop here. And it looks like all the functions that we thought weren't working are actually working. Originally, I thought it was the SMG pump. At least that's from what I got from information that I could find online and from some of the guys here. This is so weird. Because of the wide angle camera, it bulges the back of his head. It looks like an alien. I gotta put you on the center. You see, now it's normal, but if I put you on the side, look.
It looks like a white Martian.
Yeah, you turned into a Martian. Hold on. Yeah, you turned.
Martian Manhunter.
Well, that's a little bit odd. What I was originally going to show you guys was something we attempted over a month ago when we tried to change it into gear. It would just get stuck and it wouldn't change into gear and it would make these funny noises. But see, Ali's working his magic over here. We might actually be able to change gears and better yet, drive the car. So let's see. I don't know why, but it just makes me very happy every time the car turns on. It's almost like I can already vision myself driving this car daily with no problems, enjoying the sweet, well, not SMG, but manual to be M3. All right, so moment of truth. We're gonna see if we can drive the damn car. Let's do it. That was not good. That was not good. All right, round 2. Oh, that's not gonna work. So I guess I had a little bit too much hope. We're definitely not driving this damn car. We're definitely not driving this damn car. The SMG transmission is just completely Any thoughts?
Yep.
Why is it doing that, man? Give me some answers.
It's called a SMG transmission. Well, we went through all the test plans and didn't fix it, so.
You don't know exactly what it is. You would have to go through like steps to find out what it is. Well, it could be the pump, and it could be other things.
Could
like
be pump, could be accumulator, could be a slave cylinder.
Okay.
Could be. I mean, it could be as simple as a sensor, but.
Okay. And that is why I'm gonna go ahead and convert the SMG into a manual. It's just there's just too many things going on with the SMG. It's very complicated. I'm not gonna say they're unreliable because I've never owned one myself, but seriously, bro, I was trying to talk into the camera. But for that reason, for what you guys saw, I'd rather just not even deal with it. Plus, a 6-speed manual is gonna be much better, which I'm looking to convert it. Let me show you guys something real quick. So look what I bought today, guys. This is a manual transmission from an E46 M3. I paid $500 for it. It's pretty screwed up. It doesn't work out too well. But all I needed from this transmission was the bell housing, because if you guys are not familiar with the SMG bell housing, you would either have to send it to go get machined, or you would have to buy a bell housing from a manual transmission so I can convert the car to a 6-speed manual. And tonight I'm going to go online and purchase all the necessary parts I need, the remainder parts outside of the bell housing, to do the manual conversion. You guys wanted a manual conversion? Well, it's happening. I also have other crazy things planned for the M3 since you guys love this car so much. So take a second now and hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you do not want to miss future episodes. As always, thanks for watching. Till next time.